Hi, I'm Adrian, and I have a great tool for you to ensure a safe return to the office during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm now going to tell you how it works and how you can take it into use. A wireless sensor device is installed under the work desks, which show the utilization information in real time. It also records the desk utilization history. With one glance, the end users will see which tables have been used, so choosing a clean desk is easy and safe. The cleaning of the desk at the end of the day is easy and cost efficient, as the cleaning is done only for the desks that actually been used during the day. Setting up this solution is very easy. All we need is your office floor plan and access to install the sensors to the desk. In the best case, the installation can be done during the same day. We offer this solution as a service in a fixed monthly price, which includes everything as a turnkey solution: the sensors, gateway devices for the wireless data transmission, solution onboarding, sensor installation, and support, as well as possible updates to the visualization throughout the entire service. You can order this service from our website, altheon.com. In practice, you will cover the service fee with the savings made in the cleaning cost. Let's work safely now and in the future.